Hello, great scientists. Welcome back. Or rather, will I say great chemists since we are treating chemistry. So we are going to continue from where we stopped last time. Last time in the previous class, we discussed chemical symbols, chemical formulas, and we started chemical equations. So we say that chemical equations, they can be represented in a paper. And we say that chemical formula, they are the representation of those elements that makes up a compound. Do you understand? Yes. So we have molecules. So molecules, they are the combination of what? Two or more atoms of the same element, or two or more atoms of what? Different elements. So to make to make a compound. So atom, when they are combined together, we have what? Molecules, right? Then the second one we have is what? Atomicity. So atomicity is the number of atoms of an element in a molecule. Number of atoms of element in a molecule. Examples of molecules, we have hydrogen molecule, sodium molecule, chlorine molecule, right? Like in sodium molecule now, which is Na, we have one atom of sodium in a sodium molecule. Then chlorine molecule, we have what? Two atoms of what? Chlorine in what? Chlorine molecule, because chlorine molecule is usually written as what? Cl2, while sodium is written as what? Na. Let's continue. So on the board we have monoatomic elements. These ones are elements that contains one atom in their molecule. They contain what? One atom in their molecule. Example, we have sodium, we have potassium, right? We have what? We have, which other example do we have? We have, let's think. We have magnesium, we have iron, etc. So they contain what? One atom. They contain one atom in a molecule of their compound. Next one we have what? Diatomic elements. These ones, they contain what? Two atoms in a molecule of their compounds. Example, we have mostly gases are here. We have chlorine gas, hydrogen gas, we have which other one? We have oxygen gas, etc. So they contain what? Two atoms of the same element in their what? In their molecule. Then the third one we have what? Triatomic element. So triatomic element, they contains three atoms in a molecule. So we have ozone. So ozone is an example of what? A triatomic molecule. Then the other one we have polyatomic molecule. Polyatomic elements rather. So polyatomic elements, they have four or more atoms in a molecule. Example, we have phosphorus, and also we have what? Sulfur. So phosphorus is a polyatomic element, while sulfur is equally what? A polyatomic what? Element. So these are what? The atomicity. So from here we can easily write our chemical what? Equations. On the board we have A plus B to give what? C plus D. So this is what? An irreversible what? Reaction. A plus D represent the what? The reactant, while C plus D represent the what? Product. Then the second one we have A plus B in a reversible reaction. This is a reversible reaction, meaning that it goes in what? Both ways, forward and what? Backward. So A plus B to give what? C. A plus B is the what? Reactant, while C is the what? Product. So here are a few examples of formulae of binary compounds, how they are formed. So we have sodium plus what? Chlorine. So sodium has valency of what? +1, while chlorine has what? -1, right? So when they come together, sodium and what? Chlorine, we have what? Sodium chloride. So they all contains +1 and -1, while aluminium has what? +3 Then oxygen is what? -2. So two of them will combine, you have what? Al0. O. So these two will come here, we have what? 2. This 3 comes here, we have what? 3. Right? So that's it. So we can decide to balance it by writing what? Here is what? We can write 3, 2 and what? 3. So here will equally be what? 3. So balanced. So we have calcium and what? Chlorine. Calcium is what? +2. +2. Then chlorine is what? -. So we have CaCl. Then this 2 comes here, we have what? 2. So you can balance it. This is balanced. So these are examples of formula of binary what? Compounds. So aluminum is better written as this. It's better written as 3+. You can just remove this 1 here. So we have plus, 3+, and 2+. So these are some of the examples of what we discussed.